So the coordinate system remember, we set up the positive direction of the different axes in following the right-hand rule, and to sketch it in 3D, you need to use some sort of perspective where the x-axis is coming toward you from the paper, the positive direction of the y-axis is to the right, and the positive direction of the z-axis is to the left. And I'll dash the negative direction, like so. Okay. So if we pick up a point in space that has three coordinate system, let's say A, B, and C. So actually, I think I did. I gave you a specific example, so there'll be some repetition. But for instance, we want to sketch the point. Let's say P, where you have a -4, 3, and -5. I think this is the one I used last time. I'm going to change these to +2. The only reason is I didn't leave enough room to draw downward. So on the x-axis we have -4. In other words, we go backward into the paper, so to speak, and we are right there. On the y-axis we go +3. In other words, we go to the right. If z was 0, we have what we call the projection on the xy plane. In other words, we go -4 in the x direction and +3 in the y direction, and we have this rectangular, and we are right here. This will be the point -4, +3, and 0. Now we need to go z. It's z equals 2, so we need to go up by 2 units. And there it is. This is z equal 2. And what happened is we're going to have a rectangular on the zy or the yz plane right here. This will be the front of a box. On a plane parallel, well, let's go first on the zx plane. On the zx plane we have another rectangular right here with x equals -4 and z equals 2. And on a plane parallel to the xz plane, we have y equals +3 and z equals +2. So this is the rectangular that is this side of the box. And in the rear, on a plane that is parallel to the yz plane, we have y equals 3 and z equals 2, which represent this corner of the box. And our point is right here. It's sitting right here. So this is the point P with coordinate -4, +3, and +2. Okay? So, and that concludes the first example.